Hi kids, how are you? Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn numbers 1 to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, let's learn some colors. These are all our color pencils. Let's learn the names. Pink color, sky blue color, orange color, violet color, pink color, red color, yellow color, black color, green color, blue color, light green color, and brown color. Let's draw numbers. Light pink color 1, ONG 1, ONG 1. Sky blue color 2, TWO 2. Orange color 3, THREE 3. Violet color 4, FOUR 4. Brown color 5, FIVE 5. Green color 6, SIX 6. Blue color 7, SEVEN 7. 7. Green color 8, EIGHT 8. Pink color 9, NINE 9. Red color 10, TEN 10. TEN 10. Black color 11, 11. 12, 12, 12. 13, 13. 14, 15, 15. Once again learning numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Bye kids. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye kids.